know, Minnesotans grow incredible corn, grains, tomatoes, and we are eating more local food at restaurants than ever before.
But we are still a little surprised to find out that Minnesotans are growing local mushrooms. And that fungus is only one benefit of the process. DeRusha eats at the incredible Mississippi mushrooms in Minneapolis. Along the Mississippi River in an industrial part of North Minneapolis, there's a warehouse that sure doesn't feel like you're entering a farm.
And then when you get here, you're like, I don't think I'm supposed to come here.
This is where Ian Silver Ramp grows exotic mushrooms.
There's really exciting stuff you can do with fungus.
Mississippi mushrooms was a dream when Ian was an ag student at the U of M, a high-tech, extremely eco-friendly growing operation that's quickly becoming a favorite of Twin Cities chefs.
It's really exciting for chefs to be able to call and get a delivery 4 hours later.
Ian grows 4 varieties of mushrooms: gray oyster, king oyster, namiko, and pink oyster.
These are all gray oyster mushrooms. This is probably our most popular mushroom that we produce right now.
Precisely regulated humidity, carbon dioxide, and airflow. A friend coded the control system Ian can manage from his phone.
If you're at 93 instead of 95, the mushrooms will grow there.
The road to mushrooms starts with other local companies' garbage. Spent grain from Dangerous Man Brewing. Sawdust comes from wood from the hood. Ian is engineering a better version of the forest.
Each fungus likes a different species of wood.
The mix goes into bags, and in a clean room, mushroom spores get inoculated into that mixture. Then a 3 to 8 week trip through different conditions in different growing houses.
Then we start going into primordia formation. And then from primordia formation, then you're going to transfer it again into a fruit body development kind of stage.
And this is the last stop.
This is the fruit body development stage right here. You want to try and pick one?
Sure.
All right, so just reach to the back, kind of pinch and twist and pull it off.
They're beautiful. Ready for eating. And the mushrooms have performed a different kind of magic.
Where the fungus is going to take waste material, dead matter, and return it into usable nutrients for a plant.
Compost. The high temperature shows just how packed with nutrients this stuff is.
Mushrooms are fascinating.
You'll find Mississippi mushrooms at dozens of restaurants, local co-ops too. It is a growing and legitimate business.
Well, when you think a guy's growing mushrooms, you think it's probably a little shady to begin with.
Yep, you do. Yeah, everybody asks us for shady mushrooms.
I bet they do, yeah.
We don't grow them.
That's not what's happening.
We'd have a lot more money if we did.
Yep, they produce about 500 pounds of mushrooms every week. And so it's amazing. You think like this sawdust, and there's like this mushroom chaff, which is like the outside of the shell around a mushroom seed. This stuff is useless.
Well, it also looked beautiful.
Yeah, and the mushrooms are
I've never seen
delicious.
prettier mushrooms.
Yeah, they are delicious. But the fact that you can make this compost from it is pretty neat.
Are there other places like this around the country?
There are. And Minnesota has about 3 or 4 mushroom growing facilities.
Okay.
But most of the mushrooms we get are button mushrooms. You know, you see them in the grocery store.
Sure.
And those are grown usually out of wood, like not so much out of this kind of a process. But it's pretty cool. I give Ian a lot of credit. And you can find all sorts of restaurants, you know, like Travail, Young Joni, St. Genevieve, Corner Table, all sorts of places. Really, really good.